I think that the hands-on approach is necessary. For example, our medical assistant program, one of the things we highlight is our lab. We have a setup that looks just like a clinic. The same for the massage therapy. Having that hands-on lets them be more marketable. I am Renee Bird. I am the Director of Admissions at Centura College, Newport News campus. I absolutely love it. For me, it's really rewarding to be able to help people to get on their career path and change their life. The best thing about health trade or skill trade is it's always going to be a need, especially because a lot of people that are in the field now are retiring. And we need more people to pick up the mantle, if you will. And so because it's always going to be a need, taking this type of training will be beneficial and will allow you to be more marketable when the time comes for you to look for that opportunity. What I feel like we offer that's different from others is that atmosphere of family. We are all very helpful and we care. Our students know that we are there for them. We are here to make sure that you are successful. Our goal is to connect you to your career. It's really rewarding to see that they didn't just come and get a piece of paper, but they actually now are in their careers.